It's a staple of every modern home, yet few of us stop to consider the engineering inside. Once you close the door, a complex sequence begins to transform dirty laundry into fresh clothes. With the touch of a button, the internal computer takes control. The machine wakes up, sensing the load and preparing its resources. Water rushes in, mixing with detergent to create a powerful cleaning solution. The tumble begins using gravity and motion to agitate the fibers. Soon, the first wave of dirt and grime is carried away. The result? Perfectly clean laundry, ready for the day. Let's dive deeper into the core components. Part 1. The drum and detergent. At the heart of every machine is the metal cylinder drum. These tiny perforations are crucial for water flow and drainage. The cycle starts when water floods the compartment, activating the soap. Detergent molecules act like magnets, grabbing onto grease and lifting it from the fabric. Once the clothes are soaked, the mechanical work begins. The motor reverses direction frequently to ensure every item is reached. This friction between clothes and the drum wall mimics the hand scrubbing of the past. Part 2. The power of agitation. Cleaning requires a balance of chemical energy, heat, and physical movement. The repeated rotation provides the constant motion needed for deep cleaning. Agitation is the secret to removing stubborn stains without damaging the items. As the detergent penetrates the fibers, the agitation shakes the dirt loose. Inside, it's a non-stop cycle of lifting, dropping, and turning. This relentless action ensures that no part of the load remains untouched. Part 3. The rinse cycle. Once the wash is done, the dirty, soapy water must be evacuated. Fresh water enters for the rinse, washing away any remaining soap residue. It's a critical step to prevent skin irritation and ensure the fabric is soft. Most machines rinse multiple times to reach maximum cleanliness. With every rinse, the clothes look brighter and cleaner. Part 4. The spin cycle and centrifugal force. Now comes the most high-energy phase. The drum begins to accelerate. At top speeds, the machine uses physics to dry your clothes. Centrifugal force pushes the water outward through those tiny holes in the drum. The clothes are pressed firmly against the sides, squeezing out every last drop. By the end, they are damp to the touch but no longer soaking wet. The faster the spin, the less time you'll need in the dryer later. Part 5. Internal components and smart controls. Under the hood, a sophisticated network of parts keeps everything in sync. The electric motor is the powerhouse, driving the drum through a durable belt system. Valves act as gatekeepers, precisely controlling the temperature and volume of water. Sensors constantly monitor the balance and speed to prevent damage. All these elements work together in a synchronized dance of modern technology. It's a masterpiece of home engineering, hidden inside a simple white box. Conclusion: the science of clean. Next time you start a load, remember the physics at work. From centrifugal force to chemical reactions, it's a tiny laboratory in your home. The drum rotates, water flows, and the dirt vanishes. A perfect result, thanks to the hidden science of the washing machine. Look a little closer next time. You'll be amazed at what you see.